Vortex binoculars are some of the best, high-end binoculars you will find in the market today. Vortex has a long history of offering reliable outdoor gear products. What began as a small, family-operated outdoor retail shop in Wisconsin in 1986 has now become one of the most trusted names in the outdoor gear industry. Still a family-operated business today, it continues to provide quality products that meet every customer's needs. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 Vortex binoculars on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Vortex Optics Crossfire HD Binoculars. Crossfire HD 12x50 comes with fully multi-coated lenses to offer the best light transmission possible. It is one of the models you can trust in low light conditions. If you're looking for clarity and sharpness on safari or when camping, these are a good choice. Whether or not you are wearing eyeglasses, you can be comfortable using it with its twist-up eye cups. The center focus system offers further convenience, allowing you to adjust both optics focus at the same time. Like most modern binoculars, the Crossfire HD 12x50 has nitrogen filling and O-ring sealing for optimum performance even in harsh environments. These ensure fog-proof and waterproof characteristics, so it does not matter if you are at a high altitude or exposed to sudden temperature changes. For a firm grip, it is equipped with non-slip rubber armor. You can keep it safe and secure, thanks to its glass-packed binocular case. Number 2. Vortex Optics Diamondback HD Binoculars. Vortex Optics is one of the leaders in the sports optics industry today. It has all kinds of binoculars suitable for different applications, as well as different budgets. For hunting, the company offers many quality binoculars that can deliver even in the most rugged conditions. One of these optics is the Vortex Diamondback HD 10x42, an entry-level pair that really excels in terms of build quality. The Diamondback has been around for years. As an entry-level pair of binoculars, it has always met, if not exceeded, expectations. However, Vortex Optics decided to give it a major upgrade in 2019, introducing the Vortex Diamondback HD 10x42. As the name implies, it comes with HD lenses, but what is it really all about, and how different it is from its predecessors? Is it better? If so, what else has improved? We will find out all the answers as we discuss the specs and features of these lauded binoculars in this review. Let's dive in. Number 3. Vortex Optics Raptor Poro Prism Binoculars. Vortex Optics is known for making high-quality binoculars, such as the Raptor 10x32. They render pretty impressive images from dusk to dawn. The fully multi-coated lenses offer enough light transmission for bright and crisp images. You can easily adjust the focus using the central knob and adjust the eye cups using the twist-up mechanism. You can also change the interpupillary distance, IPD, or the distance between the centers of both pupils by merely rotating the binoculars until the IPD aligns with your pupils. However, these optics are not the best choice for eyeglass wearers. They have low eye relief of 13 mm. With nitrogen purging and O-ring seals, this pair performs considerably well regardless of the weather, and is capable of doubling as a pair of marine binoculars. There's no visible fogging when the temperature suddenly changes. Additionally, the rubber armor body offers a non-slip grip. Number 4. Vortex Optics Fury HD Binoculars. Fury HD 10x42 is the best Vortex binoculars for distance ranging capabilities. It is the perfect pair for hunters, thanks to the easy-to-use controls on the right side that allows for one-handed manipulation. You can easily use other tools with your other hand, such as a bow or a rifle. It has a horizontal component distance, HCD, mode, an angle-compensated ranging technology that provides you with the actual distance data you need for maximum accuracy. Meanwhile, the line of sight, LOS, mode shows the actual loss range. Moreover, you can set the illuminated right barrel display in either yards or meters. To prevent moisture from compromising your viewing experience, the Fury HD 10x42 is purged with nitrogen and sealed with O-ring sealing. With these features, you can definitely use it even at the highest peaks without fogging. Moreover, these features make the Fury HD 5000 an ideal pair of marine binoculars. Number 5. Vortex Optics Viper HD Roof Prism Binoculars. Viper HD 8x42 is one of the best Vortex binoculars because it is one of the lightest, full-powered, yet compact models available in the market today. These are ideal for hunting. Made to endure long-lasting performance even in the most challenging environments, Its lenses are protected by proprietary, ultra-hard, scratch-resistant coating, Armor Tech. The body has a non-slip grip, so it won't easily break if you accidentally drop it. Filled with argon gas and sealed with O-ring sealing, it offers fog-proof and waterproof capabilities. Moisture and dust won't easily penetrate the binoculars, giving you the confidence you need in the extreme outdoors. With premium extra low dispersion, ED, glass, the Viper HD 8x42 delivers quality images in the most accurate colors possible. For reduced light loss during transmission, it is built with XR fully multi-coated optics. This accessory lets you keep your binoculars safe and secure at all times, and allows you to use them as marine binoculars. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.